Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to send a snap to everyone at once on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom right corner, we have Spotlight, where you can go and check out some videos. We have Stories, where you can go and look up stories that your friends have posted, the camera, and in the bottom left corner, your location and your chats. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and send a snap to everyone at once on Snapchat. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these 4 steps to know how to do it in no time. So step 1 is to open Snapchat and add the capture the snap. Then step 2, well, here tap on the send to, of course, go and send the snap. Then step 3 is go and click on, of course, from the list, select the relevant group of people that you, of course, want to include. You can choose more than one group if you want. And, of course, step 4, once done, tap on the send button, and the snap will be sent to everyone in your list. So, guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.